Next, CAM plants or CAM pathway. CAM is one of the metabolism. CAM means crassulacean acid metabolism. Crassulacean acid metabolism. These type of metabolism we are observed in xerophytes. Xerophytic plants, those are grown in desert conditions. So xerophytes. Next, Euphorbiaceae family. Euphorbiaceae family plants, they shows these type of metabolism, crassulacean acid metabolism. Next, xerophytic succulents. Xerophytic succulents, Euphorbiaceae family plants. These both type of plants were observed CAM type of metabolism. Example, we are talking about cacti, opentia. Cacti and opentia shows these type of metabolism. Why this plant shows these type of adaptations? Because prevent from water loss, because they are grown in desert conditions. Evaporation of the water is more. It means more transpiration takes place in these type of plants. So that's why they avoid loss of water. They avoid loss of water by the transpiration. By the transpiration shows these kind of metabolism. How? So general plants, their stomata plays main role in these plants. Stomata opens in daytime and stomata closed in night time. Closed in night time. It is general situation of plants. In CAM plants or xeric plants shows stomata opens in night time. Next, closed in daytime. This is one of adaptation to prevent from water loss. Is one of the problem. Water, they are released from the plant body by the transpiration, evaporation. So avoid this condition or overcome this problem, the plant shows this type of metabolism. In this metabolism, stomata opens in night time, closed in daytime. Stomata opens in night time, closed in daytime. Daytime heavy temperature is recorded. That's why stomata will closed. In night time, in night time the temperature is somewhat less. That's why the stomata is opens in night time. This type of stomata is called scotoactive stomata. Scotoactive stomata. This stomata which is opens in night time, closed in daytime in xeric plants. So that is called scotoactive stomata. We have to start cycle or pathway. Cycle or pathway. This is the epidermis. Before that, this is what will happen in night time. This is what will happens in daytime. This is mesophyll cells only, and upside this is epidermis. This is during daytime. This is during night. During daytime, here night. During night time, during daytime. And upside this is epidermis. This is stomata, is opened stomata. The carbon dioxide which is enters into the mesophyll cells by the opened stomata. So carbon dioxide is enters into the mesophyll cell by the help of opened stomata. This carbon dioxide binds with water. Carbon dioxide binds with water to formation of carbonic acid. To formation of carbonic acid. By the help of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase. Carbonic anhydrase. Carbon dioxide added with water in mesophyll cell to formation of bicarbonate. Carbonic acid. This is carbonic acid. Carbonic acid again dissociated into two forms, hydrates and bicarbonate ions. Carbonic acid dissociated into hydrate ions and bicarbonate ions. These bicarbonate ions receive phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Take up phosphoenol pyruvic acid to formation of oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid. This oxaloacetic acid changes into malic acid. So first of all, we have to check carbons. Phosphoenol pyruvic acid actually 3 carbon compound and changes into 4 carbon compound of oxaloacetic acid. Bicarbonate ions take up phosphoenol pyruvic acid to formation of oxaloacetic acid by the help of the enzyme PEPCO. Phosphoenol pyruvic acid carboxylase. Oxaloacetic acid 4 carbon compound changes into another 4 carbon compound malic acid. Another 4 carbon compound malic acid. For this reduction required NADPH2 changes into NADP. For this reduction required one NADPH2 changes into reduces into NADP. It means oxaloacetic acid changes into malic acid. This is the reduction required. One NADPH2 reduces into NADP. This is this malic acid stored in vacuole. This is vacuole. This malic acid is stored in vacuole. Malic acid. Malic acid stored in vacuole entire the night. It means throughout the night time. In complete night time, this malic acid stored in vacuole. Next, this malic acid enters into daytime. It means here malic acid, which is 4 carbon compound. This is 4 carbon compound. This 4 carbon compound of malic acid diffuses into cytoplasm. Diffuses into cytoplasm during the daytime This malic acid changes into or dissociated into two forms. One form is phosphoenol pyruvic acid. This is 3 carbon compound, and one more thing is 1 carbon compound or 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. For this dissociation, for this for this change required 1 NADP regenerated into NADPH2. For this process, malic acid changes into 3 carbons of phosphoenol pyruvic acid and 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. 1 carbon, 3 carbon, total 4 carbons. For this process, NADP again regenerated into NADPH2. This 1 carbon compound enters into C3 cycle accepted by RUBP. 1 carbon compound accepted by RUBP involved in C3 cycle again to formation of RUBP. This cycle is called C3 cycle. This is called C3 cycle. This is C3 cycle. So next, what are the ATPs, what are the NADPH2s are required for C3 cycle? They are supplied by light reaction. So what are the ATPs, what are the NADPH2s are required for this C3 cycle? Those are supplied by light reaction. Because this process mainly during daytime, that's why light is present. So light which is supplied, what are the ATPs, what are the NADPH2s are required for C3 cycle? Supplied by light. So before that, here stomata is closed. This is the epidermis. This is closed stomata in during daytime. This is opened stomata in night time. What will happen in complete C4, what is that? CAM cycle? One have to recap. Carbon dioxide enters into mesophyll cell by the opened stomata, and carbon dioxide accepted, or carbon dioxide is binds with water to formation of carbonic acid by the help of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase. Carbonic acid again changes into two forms, hydrates and bicarbonate ions by the help bicarbonate ions. Bicarbonate ions are receive phosphoenol pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound changes into 4 carbon compounds of oxaloacetic acid by the help of the enzyme PEPCO, phosphoenol pyruvic carboxylase. 4 carbon compound of oxaloacetic acid changes into another 4 carbon compound malic acid. For this process, for this reduction required reducing power, NADPH2 changes into NADP. This malic acid or 4 carbon compound malic acid stored in vacuole during the night time. Complete night time, this malic acid always stored in vacuole. After that, this malic acid enters into daytime. This malic acid in daytime diffuses into cytoplasm. These 4 carbon compounds of malic acid changes into 3 carbon compound of phosphoenol pyruvic acid and 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. This one molecule of carbon dioxide accepted by ribulose biphosphate to continue C3 cycle, and releases glucose, and what are the ATPs, what are the NADPH2s are required for this C3 cycle? These are supplied by light reaction, because this complete process takes place during the daytime. That's why light reaction is going to take place in mesophyll cell to supply what are the ATPs, what are the NADPH2s required for this cycle, supplied by light reaction only.